surprises to it. We have a special dance group coming.
Oh my God, who is it?
You'll have to wait a little bit to know that. But before that, we have our next dance group coming up. Again, it's our very own students. We have Katie, Kristen, Richa, and Akin.
response. You gotta sing this one with me. I know there's everyone out here who knows this song. That's right. I can tell from the screen. Alright? Very simple song. I want you guys to sing it as well. This bunch over here. Come on. When I walk on by, girls be looking like damn you fly. I bet to the beat, walking down the streets and I knew the freak, yeah. This is how I roll, I'm no Prince back out of control. I'm like Bruce Lee and roll, I'm like Bruce Lee, but I rock and roll, yeah. Go. I won't count. Go. I won't count when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stop in the train and me. I got passion in my pants and I need a pretty short. Yeah, when I'm at the mall, singing teachers can pop them all. When I'm out the beach, I'm in speed on trying to tan my cheeks, yeah. This is how I roll, come on ladies, it's time to go. We get it to the bar, baby, don't get nervous. No shoes, no shirt, and a slip of service, yeah. I won't count. I won't count when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stop in the scene and me, I got passion in my pants and I need a pretty short. Woo! Well, this one's the fun part. The fun part. Wiggle, yeah. I'm sexy, yeah, I know it. Sing it. We're gonna die. Check it out, come on. I'm 60 years old. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Love you guys. Thank you.
travels for Goa and proudly calls themselves the pride of Goa. They have always secured a first or a second place in whichever competitions they have gone.
Presenting the A-Unit
Group, which will be presented behind us.
Well, this one's going to be the last one. Yes, everyone knows us. Well, all the champions should sing along. All the champions. Alright? I'm not going to be singing, I want the champions to sing. So whoever considers themselves a champion out there, gonna sing this one, alright? We'll start for you. I got a feeling. Sing it, come on. Louder. Champions, come on. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night.